Hello, my name is Stanley Bago and welcome to today's commentary on what is happening in Nigeria. This is the News Chronicle. So I read in the news that Niger State Governor Bago has, enacted a policy mandating all clerics, both Muslim clerics and, of course, Christian clerics, to submit their sermons for vetting before they can, preach either on Fridays or on a Sunday. And then I'm trying to understand what is going on. You mean that after the pastor or the imam has prepared his sermon, he will take it to the Niger State government and say, "Sir, this is the sermon I want to preach on a Friday or on Sunday. Kindly look at it and see if it is worthy for me to preach." I don't know how that sounds. But I've been struggling to come to terms with what this is all about, because it's sounding actually very funny to me, and of course to every meaningful Nigerian out there. Of all the numerous issues bedeviling Niger State: insecurity, flood, hunger, joblessness, and a host of all the other issues militating against that state, the governor is rather interested in, trying to gatekeep what clerics preach in their churches and in the mosque. What exactly is going on? Because it's not seem like Nigeria is a joke. Nigeria as a nation is a joke. And for me, I like to see this as a way to gag religious bodies. Because the truth is that a lot of these bodies, a lot of these preachers speak truth to power. And because the governor is not interested, or rather feel threatened by the truth that is being said by these clerics, is now taking this unscrupulous action against religious bodies. For me, I want to see this as a dangerous thread, or a dangerous path to tread on. And I sincerely hope that this will not see the light of the day, because the governor, for me, should rather be concerned about delivering dividends of democracy to Niger State citizens, other than trying to chase shadows in a bid to silence religious preachers or teachers in the state. And for me, I don't know. Maybe we should hear from you on what you think about this shockingly, embarrassingly development emanating from Niger State. This is the News Chronicle. We urge you to follow us on all platforms. Thank you. See you same time next week.